Hello there, and welcome to the English with Shadowing. Hey there, amazing learner. You've already done 5 full days of shadowing. That's not easy. It takes commitment, energy, and courage to speak out loud every single day. So what are we doing today? Today is day 6, a bonus day that will take you deeper into natural conversations, everyday expressions, and real-world communication. You'll shadow longer responses, explore question-answer patterns, and build the rhythm of natural speech. You won't just repeat short affirmations today. You'll speak in full ideas and even act out roles like you're in a real English conversation. Review and warm up. Let's start with a quick shadowing review. Repeat after me, just like before. Speak out loud. Feel your breath. Trust your voice. Shadowing, warm up. Sentences. I am proud of how far I've come. Every day, my English becomes stronger. I feel more confident when I speak. Mistakes help me improve. I choose progress, not perfection. I practice because I believe in myself. Speaking English is a skill I'm building daily. I enjoy every step of this journey. I show up, I speak, I grow. My voice matters, and I choose to use it. Nice job. Now let's jump into real conversation mode. Section 1. Real-life dialogues. Shadow both sides. You will now shadow both parts of a conversation, person A and person B. Repeat after each line. Topic. Making plans with a friend. Hey! Do you want to grab some lunch later today? B. Sure. What time are you thinking? A. Maybe around 12:30. There's a new cafe on Main Street. B. Sounds great. I've heard good things about that place. A. Perfect. Should we meet there or walk together? B. Let's walk together. I'll meet you in front of the library. A. Awesome. See you then. Repeat the dialogue again. But this time, imagine you are person B. Speak your responses confidently. Section 2. Expressing opinions. Now, let's shadow longer sentences, expressing thoughts and opinions. Speak naturally, as if you're talking to a friend. In my opinion, learning English is like going to the gym. Consistency is everything. I think watching movies in English helps me understand real conversations better. Personally, I prefer studying in the morning because my mind is fresh. I believe making mistakes is the best way to learn. For me, listening to podcasts is more fun than reading textbooks. I feel more confident speaking now than I did last month. I used to be shy, but now I enjoy practicing with others. I don't think English is difficult. It just takes time and effort. I love discovering new words and using them in real conversations. I honestly enjoy speaking English more than I expected. Now try these again, but add your own ending to each sentence. Example. I think watching movies in English is both fun and useful for learning slang. Section 3. Role play practice. Let's act. You'll take on roles in a mini-scene. Shadow both characters, one after the other. Role play at a job interview. Interviewer, welcome. Thanks for coming in today. You, thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here. Interviewer, can you tell me a little about yourself? You, of course. I'm a motivated learner, and I've been improving my English every day. Interviewer, that's great to hear. What are your strengths? You, I'm very organized, I communicate clearly, and I love solving problems. Interviewer, why do you want this position? You, because I'm passionate about this field and I'm ready to grow with your team. Interviewer, wonderful. We'll be in touch soon. You, thank you. I look forward to hearing from you. Now switch it up. Try using your own answers. Make it your story. Section 4. Shopping Conversation. Let's practice everyday English, like going shopping. Shop assistant. Hello, can I help you find something? You. Yes, I'm looking for a new pair of shoes. Shop assistant. What size do you wear? You. I usually wear a size 9. Shop assistant. We have these in your size. Would you like to try them on? You. Yes, please. They look comfortable. Shop assistant. How do they feel? You. Perfect. I'll take them. Now try saying it all as if you're really in the shop. Use your voice and emotion. Section 5. Telling a short story. Shadow this short personal story. It helps you practice narration and using past tenses. Last weekend, I went to the park with some friends. The weather was sunny and beautiful. We had a picnic, played games, and listened to music. I spoke English the entire time, even with my non-native friends. At first, I felt nervous, but the more I spoke, the more confident I became. It was a great day, and I felt proud of myself for using English in real life. Now repeat it again, slowly, with expression. Then try to tell your own short story about your weekend. Section 6. Practice with common patterns. Repeat each structure 3 times. It helps you remember them naturally. I'm trying to improve my speaking. I'm trying to speak more naturally. I'm trying to be more confident. I used to be afraid of speaking. I used to make a lot of mistakes. I used to avoid conversations. I'm getting better at pronunciation. I'm getting better at thinking in English. I'm getting better at answering questions quickly. I'm looking forward to my next English class. I'm looking forward to speaking with natives. I'm looking forward to using English at work. Now, your turn. Create your own 3 versions of each. Section 7. Motivational shadowing. Keep going. Let's end today with strong, empowering sentences to keep your momentum alive. Repeat each one with energy and belief. I am committed to my English journey. Speaking every day helps me grow stronger. I have the courage to keep trying. I use English to connect with the world. My hard work is creating real results. I am not afraid to make mistakes anymore. I trust the process and enjoy the ride. I celebrate how far I've come. I speak with confidence and clarity. I am an English speaker, and I'm proud of it. Wrap up. You did it. That's the end of day 6, and what a powerful bonus day it was. Today you warmed up with positive affirmations, practiced real dialogues and role plays, learned how to express opinions clearly, told a personal story in English, strengthened your grammar patterns naturally, built even more confidence in your voice. You've gone beyond the basics and stepped into real, practical English fluency. Keep speaking, keep smiling, keep showing up. Every word you say builds the speaker you are becoming.